Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to self-drive your Tesla Model X. First, ensure your vehicle's software is fully updated for optimal performance and safety features. Before starting, always confirm that all 8 external cameras and 12 ultrasonic sensors are clean and unobstructed. This ensures the system has a clear view of its surroundings, which is absolutely critical for safe and effective operation. Always prioritize safety and system readiness. To begin, pull the right stalk down once to activate traffic-aware cruise control, which maintains a set speed and distance from the car ahead. Then, pull the right stalk down twice in quick succession to engage auto steer. You will see a blue steering wheel icon on your display. Remember, even with auto steer active, you must keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain attentive to the road. While Autopilot assists significantly, your active supervision is paramount. Always maintain constant attention to the road, traffic, and your surroundings. Be prepared to take over control immediately if necessary. The vehicle will periodically prompt you to apply slight torque to the steering wheel to confirm your engagement. This ensures you remain an active participant in the driving process, even when the system is engaged. For highway driving, Navigate on Autopilot can assist with interchanges and exits. To initiate a lane change, simply activate the turn signal in the desired direction. The car will execute the maneuver when safe. To disengage Autopilot, you can either push the right stalk up once or firmly apply the brake pedal. Always ensure a smooth transition back to full manual control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.